story of the guru who promises riches beyond your wildest dreams. I must admit, curiosity got the better of me, so I rolled up my sleeves and delved into the world of these self-proclaimed gurus. I wanted to know the truth behind their bold claims, their backgrounds, and most importantly, the bottom line. Were they actually making any profits from the markets? Did their students or customers stand a chance at making money? The answers I uncovered were nothing short of shocking. First we have Kellyohgee. She's taken deception to a whole new level by using a religious front to reel us in. Now, let's get into the first part of her scheme, the broker she promotes. They're one hell of a shady broker, just as traders' domain were. As you can expect, they are an offshore broker, also regulated only in Australia for under a year. Sway markets, like 99% of offshore brokers, provide these fake gurus with demo accounts, like live accounts, giving them the power to manipulate orders whenever they want and however they want. This, guys, is a common tactic used nowadays by these social media influencers. Watch this.
Alright, so here's the deal. What we'll do is we'll set you up with a $100,000 profile on our broker server that's going to appear as a live account. So when you pull up MT4, the top left corner is going to have the live account badge, but the account's not going to actually be, it's going to be a test account.
Alright, so if I were to gain or lose money in this account, what would happen then?
Oh, no worries. Well, since the account's not actually real, there's not going to be any real risk of capital. But you can show the profits in the video, and that's going to really boost signups.
Okay, got it. So, is this an agreement that you have with any other YouTubers?
Oh, sure, absolutely. We have agreements with several Forex traders in the YouTube space.
Losing trades magically transform into massive winners, obviously creating the illusion that they're making millions. Why do they go through all this trouble, you may ask? Well, they earn a hefty sum through their affiliate program with the broker. The more victims sign up and deposit their hard-earned cash, the fatter their wallets become. And let's not forget the dangerous leverage game they play. Sway markets offer an insane 1:500 leverage, which might sound tempting to beginner traders. But the harsh reality is that kind of leverage is a one-way ticket to blow up your trading account. Especially if you're a beginner and you don't know how to control your emotions yet. It's literally like handing a toddler a stick of dynamite and hoping for the best. It won't end well. Picture this, guys. Martin, a beginner trader who falls into Kellyohgee's web of deceit. He watches her videos, gets convinced, and opens an account with Sway Markets. He deposits $5,000 and decides to play with fire. All it takes is one small tick in the wrong direction and Martin's account is toast. Margin call, baby. His $5,000 vanishes into thin air, straight into the broker's pocket. You see, it was never a live account to begin with. It's all part of the broker's plan to profit from your losses. They're 100% certain that with that kind of leverage, you'll crash and burn. It's a sad reality. It's enough to make
my blood boil.
This whole situation feels like a deja vu of those infamous Ponzi schemes we had in the past. And if you're tangled up in this mess, my friend, it's time to grab your money and run away with it. Kellyohgee had the audacity to post a video where she talks about exposing the trading industry. So ironic when she's not even part of the trading community, huh? Because I can assure you guys that she's never executed a trade with real money before. And yes, she's the one who needs to be exposed for all the crimes she's committing. Let's not forget her outrageous claims of turning $26 into $100,000 in just 9 months, when she was only 19. And conveniently, all the proof started showing up only after she joined forces with Sway Markets. Quite the coincidence, don't you think? Just goes to show what an offshore broker can do to inflate someone's trading gains. Just like our next friend, who claims to have turned $50 into $100,000 at the tender age of 20. They should be featured in a new book called Market Wizards, the unbelievable edition, the best trading group in the world. Here's where things take a stingy turn. Kelly runs a group called Cash Capital Invest and boldly proclaims it to be the best trading group in the world, even though she doesn't even know the difference between market cap and share price.
I like to tell people, start with the small cap stocks as a small account. Those are stocks that are anywhere from $0 to $20. Or To make it a lot safer, anything under $99 will usually be affordable for your price range.
And the promises they make in this so-called best trading group. Guaranteed profits, guys, with a 90% success rate. And let's not overlook the fact that they offer a referral program where you can earn a nice chunk of change from other victims. Some members of this group are getting into put contracts instead of calls.
We want to get into calls, and they will go and they'll get in and they'll say,
Well, Kelly, I'm in, but I'm not making money.
and I say, well, let me see your contract. And I figure out they are in puts, and I say, oh man.
Her website should be taken down by the SEC immediately for promising guaranteed returns, which, by the way, is a crime in itself. Even a licensed financial advisor wouldn't dare make such claims, let alone a guru, a fake guru. But that's not the issue here. Kellyohgee's whole operation is a walking contradiction. She claims to teach you how to be an independent trader, yet boasts about their 90% trade alerts. Like, what the fuck? It's like claiming to have written a book that is both the shortest and longest book ever. Just a few days ago, something epic went down in the YouTube trading world. This time it was the fall of a guru who shamelessly copying content from established YouTube channels. The Trading Geek, also known as Brad, took the art of copying to a whole new level. Word for word, guys, he replicated the work of other trading gurus without even bothering to add his own unique twist. He was caught red-handed with someone else's script, and there is absolutely no way he can deny it.
If you're thinking of
quitting
quitting Forex, or quitting day trading,
or day trading,
I think it'll help you out a lot.
this video would definitely help.
Hold on a second. We can't overlook the elephant in the room. Is it just me, or did Brad also copy the bathrobe idea from Hamza? The plot thickens, guys. What's truly worrisome about all of this is not only the act of copying itself, but the fact that the content he's emulating is pure rubbish. Shortcuts in life always come with a price to pay. Sadly, Brad lacks any genuine experience in trading, as he falls prey to the influence of other fake gurus. Look, what infuriates me is his feeble attempt to cover his tracks and play the hero in this video. He says a bunch of bullshit that feels like it was plucked straight out of an Adam Sandler movie.
Stop looking at me, Swan!
And to add the dash of absurdity, he claims the Matrix is out to get him. Have you heard that one before? Oh wait, Brad, you're just copying another guru once again, mate. And it's becoming quite the spectacle. After his so-called apology video, the Trading Geek has once again resorted to his old tricks. This time, he's shamelessly copying content from other YouTube traders, starting with Iman Gadzi and then moving on to Michael Bamber. Look, it's abundantly clear that the kid lacks any genuine knowledge in trading. From what I've uncovered about this kid, he's sitting in his parents' bedroom, recording videos and pretending to be a hotshot millionaire, earning 6 damn figures in trading profits. But just like the other gurus, he hasn't backed up a single one of those claims. No professionally regulated brokerage statements, no live trading evidence, absolutely nothing. It's all a game of smoke and mirrors, designed to boost his views and sell his overpriced $497 blueprint course. And obviously all the knowledge you find in that course can be found for free on YouTube. You know, it's all in the pursuit of making you believe that you too can become a millionaire like him. Now, in order to understand how the next two fraudsters deceive you, allow me to introduce you to Aaron the Gullible. I sought financial transformation, so I turned to YouTube's gurus for guidance. Seduced by promises of wealth and opulence, I dove into the realm eager to emulate their success.
3 weeks later.
I lost everything while following their signal. Oh gosh. I warned you, mate. Behold the masterminds of deception. These guys take the scamming game to a whole new level. Or shall I say to the Kellyohgee level. These guys have the audacity to flaunt their so-called millions per week in profits, while their chat room members end up losing every hard-earned penny by blindly following their signal. Needless to say, these individuals exhibit all the telltale signs of fake gurus, or better yet, scammers. They say shit without a shred of understanding about actual trading, provide dreadful trade signals, have shady affiliate programs with offshore brokers, of course. But here's the truth, my friend. It's all flash and no substance. Anyone who claims to be earning millions from the market while strutting around like a walking billboard has never earned a single penny to legitimate trading. I can assure you guys. And I have a reason. Allow me to break it down for you. Firstly, the market has a way of humbling even the most overconfident and cocky individuals. Just take a look at successful entrepreneurs like Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, or Bill Ackman. These financial titans exude wisdom and modesty. They understand that true success comes from knowledge and a deep understanding of the market. They don't need flashy gimmicks or outrageous claims to prove their worth. And to further expose these charlatans, I dug into their glorious reviews on Trustpilot. And as you might have guessed, they were nothing short of awful. Customers had nothing but negative experience to share. Now, if you're eager to discover what truly matters after a decade of trading with real money, then this video is meant for you.